And with this, let me move on to the next presentation. This is coming from Roy Ren. He's Solar Cell Technology Director at DMAC. Roy is going to speak on clever solutions for high performance N-type modules. Roy?
Okay, thank you, Shaban. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Shaban. Thank you, the TaiyangNews. Hello, everyone. I'm very honored to participate on this in this online sharing. I'm Roy, the Solar Cells Technology Director from DMEGC. This is the report I'm sharing today. The topic is clever solution for high performance N-type modules. First of all, I will introduce the technical roadmap for high power production. It includes the depth, polyfinger, low doping, dense grid, light trapping, passivation layer optimization, machinist printing, MAC, hydrogen passivation, interface cleaning, hand transpassing, module materials, module encapsulation optimization. And okay. And now I will explain in detail later high power production technology roadmap for damage. So we can see the module power of baseline is 628 watts. And after that technology, we can reach over 633 watts. And after playing the polyfinger and low doping dense grid, and we can reach the power 637 watts. And applying the light trapping, passivation layer optimization, machinist printing, and MAC, more than 644 watts can be achieved. Next, by applying hydrogen passivation and interface cleaning, the module achieved over 650 watts. And finally, the application of high spacing module materials and module encapsulation technology can excite 660 watts. We know that the mainstream power of the current standard version of BC computers is 650 watts and 655 watts. And there is a small output of 660 watts. However, those technology are upgrade and optimization. TOPCon also has potential to achieve 670 watts. As the other companies has announced their module power for next year will be between 650 watts and 670 watts. In the future, also, there is a certain degree of difficult and increasing in manufacturing cost. But I believe that the BC and the TOPCon will be two technical roads that development in combination. Okay, now I will give a detailed introduction. That it means defect elimination technology. We know that a large number of defects will be introduced during the half-cut process of cell. This technology will eliminate the defect. And the defect technology calculation, we can absorb that the yield with that and without that will turn back when compared. And there will be color difference under the inflate and the efficiency gap. We can achieve the conversion efficiency improvement of near 0.25%, especially in VOC and fear factor. Okay, polyfinger structure remove the polysilicon in areas without grid line by etching. We know that polysilicon has serious plastic absorption. Thus, this cell structure, we can achieve the efficiency. We can achieve the efficiency improvement of over 0.1%, especially with a significant enhancement in short circuit current. However, we also have observed the effects in fear factor due to the increased difficulty for carrying transport. And this page introduces the low doping and the dense grid technology. We fabricate ECV with low surface doping and achieve high surface resistance. In combination with the application of ultra dense grid and narrow line wide, we can achieve efficiency improvement of more than 0.1%, mainly reflected in VOC and ISC. And light trapping technology, optimization of silicon nature layer and the multi-layers. There may be low reflectance index film layers, such as silicon oxide or silicon nature oxide. Thus, this technology, we will obtain all black whole photovoltaic modules. And simulation layer optimization, we focus on optimizing the thickness of the interfacial alumina and the annealing temperature to achieve a better interfacial passivation effect. We know that alumina can provide better interfacial passivation and further passivation effect. So we can achieve efficiency improvement of over 0.1%, mainly in VOC and fear factor. This is machineless printing. Machineless printing. This is a new type of screen printing technology. We can see that there are no steel wires in the printing area, which will greatly reduce the printing difficulty, line wide, and improvement the transmission of current. So we can achieve the efficiency improvement of over 0.1%, mainly in VOC and ISC. Okay, 7P is MEC technology. MEC technology means material enhanced connect. Through the injection of current, a subthermal effect is formed. Induce the connect of silver silicon alloy. Moreover, this absorption will significantly reduce the damage to the passivation layer, thereby bring about improvement in VOC and fear factor. In the SEM on the right, we can see the connector point at the top of the pyramidon. Okay, and the hydrogen passivation technology. We know that the silicon nature film layers connect a large amount of hydrogen. Some hydrogen excite in a free state. So we found the slow induction of the light of different abundance. This free hydrogen can be excited. Future passivation the silicon interface. Through induced passivation of light, we achieve 0.15% efficiency improvement from VOC and the fear factor. And the interface cleaning technology. Interface cleaning technology by portion. The polishing mainly contains activities, chemical or DI water. It will make the silicon interface cleaner and reduce the absorption of the impurity. Future achieved a better passivation effect. So in this way, the VOC and the IC, the CL will be significantly improvement. The CL conversion efficiency can have been increased by 0.15%. Okay, in terms of modules, we will innovation applying two technologies. First is the high transparency module materials, including glass films, convection materials, and high transparency materials. The purpose is to enable more light to be absorption by the front materials of the module. This material will bring a power burst of 2 to 5 watts to the modules. Okay, and another technology is modules encapsulation technology, including overlap encapsulation, zero encapsulation, and multi-sharding technology. This observation modules encapsulation technology will bring about a power increasing of more than 8 to 10 watts for the modules. Okay. Above is the content of my report today. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thanks, Roy. So I think there was already a question about the DET, which you mentioned. So probably, if I'm correct, this is the edge passivation, right?
Yes, it's somewhat similar, but not entirely achieve slow. Engine passivation technology. We have also introduced some interface treatment technology for isolation junction, but engine passivation cannot repair defect 100%. It may repair about 60 to 90%. Therefore, defect elimination technology will future repair the remaining part. That's all.
Okay, great, Roy. I think there are also a couple of other questions. Would be great if you can stay back, enjoy the conference, and answer these questions in the chat. I think there was also a question on MEC. So maybe you could answer that. Meanwhile, I will move on to the next presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Siobhan.